Kelly, aka the Tech Gentleman, back with smooth tech tip number 2. This time we're going to be looking at some security settings. So if you go to settings and you go to search, you're going to search for smart lock. I've got it located up there already. Hit the first smart lock option and tap the second one. Put in your PIN and you'll be greeted with 3 options. You got on-body detection, trusted places, and trusted devices. On-body detection keeps your phone unlocked while it's in your hands. Trusted places keeps your phone unlocked when you're in certain places like work or at home. And trusted devices actually lets you keep your device unlocked when it's connected to certain Bluetooth devices like Samsung Galaxy Watch, for instance, or your car stereo, which can be super convenient while you're taking a ride. I've got several other devices here that I've got mine connected to. I got my tablet, I've got several earbuds and things like that. Pretty smooth feature, if you ask me. Tech tip number 2, out. Peace.